All right, Peter, you ready to?
Well, I'm a little afraid of the spring.
Okay, I'll do the spring.
Here, I'll hold the camera.
Okay, you film. You film.
How we do this?
So Wick and I got started. This is actually my Mercedes spring compressor, but it's the perfect diameter for these springs, and it's actually long enough and strong enough to get it compressed enough. So, yeah, Wick did the muscle work of cranking. I did the work of getting it situated. But I'm just trying to compress it a little more to make it easier.
How come it's so loose?
Because it's already been off the seats.
Oh.
Want me to do it for you?
Yeah, it'll hold the spring.
Yeah.
All right.
You ready?
Yeah, go ahead. I just want to go a little more.
And that keeps it compressed.
Yes. All right. I think we get just a little more. Maybe give me 2 more turns. There you go. All right. Wait, you gonna pull the ratchet out? Because we can pull the spring right out.
Yeah.
All right. And
Holy
there it is.
Wow. That's
And look
wild.
at that is original 1962 paint.
Whoa.
It's been tucked up there, rubber encased between 2. There's one there, and there's one spring rubber up here.
You taking it out?
Yeah, I'm taking it out. So they were
Oh, it was
like
protected.
that,
Oh, wow.
and it was protected. But that's 1962.
Paint.
It's a little spring condom.
Yeah, basically.
For safe springing.
You can
Wow.
boing boing
That is
safely.
wild.
You don't make a lot of noise.
That actually doesn't
Like
look like
pushing
it's
his
that
face
bad
in
of
the
shape.
pillow.
It's not. It's a lot of surface rust. So
Yeah, that's nothing.
I guess we can undo this. Wick, are you terrified? Because I'm terrified.
Well, why do you have to
Yeah,
undo
because
it?
I'll just slowly.
Yeah, we'll just release it slowly.
Can't you just leave it in?
Well, we need
until
to
you
use the
put it
compressor
back?
on the other side.
Can't you finish this side? And then, oh, you can't?
We could, but that will take
Oh, okay.
2 nights of us having class. So
So you just
we're gonna get it all apart and get everything
Is it gonna
apart.
be all the way out to here?
Yeah, then you can take it home and clean it.
Yeah, you can take it home and clean it if you want.
Yeah, put it in a vat of Vapo Rust.
Yeah. All right. So
I think
Wick.
it's more than finger type.
Yeah. That would be funny if it did.
See, I could make so many comments, but I'm behaving.
You weren't behaving earlier when you were working on the
You
vet.
two were setting them up.
That's true. We were. It was a pretty good day of filthy comedic video. So we'll get that undone.
This one sticks his foot in his mouth.
Yeah, I do. Right. I walk right into him half the time. All right. So once we get this,
So this is an interesting compressor.
yeah, it's from Mercedes-Benz.
I was gonna say.
Do they use 4 parts, Mercedes?
No, but
No,
the
but
spring
they-
diameter happens to be the same.
Yeah, and the way that, because a lot of other spring compressors go on the outside and they're not nice and they're very dangerous and scary.
And this one's pretty safe because even though it's 2 pieces on the threaded portion, it's retained in itself.
Yeah.
So it's not gonna launch.
Because a lot of times
See how
when you
much
have the
thread I
one
have
with like
left.
the 4 prongs, they don't really latch onto the
I'm
coils
in that
very
far.
well, and you're kind of like,
I just want to know when I need to get ready to run.
Yeah. Well, here,
Is that gonna pop?
we'll aim it that way, just in case.
Well, he already has a bad knee, so you can hit some
Andre, don't
yeah, hit the
stand.
bad one because apparently I screwed it up a lot more than they thought according to my MRI. So basically, Glenn sent me a message. He goes, "Yeah, I just saw your MRI with Dr. Stabile. Your knee's fucked." And I went,
Oh, man.
"Thanks."
Isn't that the nicest thing your spouse has ever told you? Your knee is fucked.
Yeah, and I'm like, "Thanks." And imagine he's like, he goes, "Well, I'm not an ortho," and I'm like, "Then how do you know? Shut up. Don't cure cancer. Be quiet."
All right, see, getting there.
It's actually be pretty cool because then I can actually get it back on the same way. We'll have to do it in 2 increments.
Yeah, because that's all the way apart. All right, so we're close. We should be able to rotate. Yeah, we're good now. So we can rotate this. Just untwist it a little bit more.
Alright, I'm all in.
You're off. Okay. So let me turn this. We gotta just get her out of the. We just gotta turn that
Which way?
either way. Yeah, to get the tangs into the bigger slots. Here, I'll.
Push down a little bit.
Ready?
Yep.
Almost.
And then maybe put it in the vise because I think we're pushing down on the other
Yeah,
ends.
let's put it in the vise.